So sick on the beat, Durala, Agbona Noni, yeah.
Oh yeah, mama, oh, get your kele, oh, daddy me, oh, the time don't come, oh.
Timbani mi ò nífẹ̀ẹ́, baby. Ìwọ lásán ni, ojú mi lójú rẹ̀, baby. Ṣé ni màá tatán ni? Would you please hold my hand while ọmọ mọ́mí mi? My baby, just say yes. Wá jẹ́ tó ní tèmi. Mo gbóná, oh yeah, oh yeah.
You walked into the room and now my heart has been stolen.
For the last 5 years we've been dating and being together, everybody's been telling me about how lucky I am. And I believe it. You're special in every way. Beauty, brains, you're a nurturer, you're supportive, you're ambitious, spirituality, religion, great family. I am a lucky guy. Thank you for choosing to go on this journey with me. I'm super excited to get started with you, and I'm ready for the next step.
I swear that every word you sing, you wrote them for me, like it was a private show. I know you never saw me. When the lights come on and I'm on my own, will you be there to sing it again? Could I be the one you talk about in all your stories? Can I be him?
Nuria is derived from the Arabic word nur, which means light, and you have and always will be a manifestation of God's guiding light in my life. You have been there for me since secondary school. Tiwa fetched my bucket water for me every single day for like a whole term because I couldn't carry it myself up the stairs to my dorm. She taught me how to wash by literally washing my clothes for me. She helped me with all my homework, all my projects. Even when I went to college, you were there for me. Every single birthday, I felt loved because of you. I don't say often, but I love you so much with every single bit of me.
Ladies and gentlemen, join me as we welcome Champion Couple of the Year 2024. Can you make some noise?
But I know you'll never saw me. When the lights come on and I'm on my own, will you be there? Will you be there? Can I be the one you talk about in all your stories? Can I be him?
I pray that God blesses you with the best health to be able to enjoy your love throughout. I love you both so much. Thank you so much, big bro, for just coming in and filling those big bro shoes. I love you guys so much. Happy married life, guys.